In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify phone number on Exness account. By the end, your number will be confirmed and ready to use for secure account actions like logins, withdrawals, and important notifications. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your Exness personal area. If you land on your trading accounts page, you're in the right place. From the top of the page, look for the settings option and click it. This is where you manage your account preferences and security details. Inside settings, go to profile. The profile section holds your personal information and verification status. Once you're there, scroll to the section labeled Confirm Email and Phone Number. This area shows whether your contact details are verified and gives you the tools to complete any pending confirmations. Click Complete Now. This opens the verification panel where you'll see the option to confirm your phone number. Verifying your phone adds a strong layer of protection, ensuring only you can approve sensitive actions on your account. Select Confirm Phone. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected, then type your number exactly as your carrier expects it, without extra spaces or symbols that aren't needed. Double check for typos. This helps avoid delays and ensures the code reaches you. When you're ready, click Continue. Exness will send a one-time security code by SMS to the number you just entered. Keep your phone nearby and ensure you have a stable signal. When the code arrives, enter it on the screen precisely as shown. If it doesn't come through within a minute or two, look for options to resend the code. Verify that you have SMS reception and check that your device isn't filtering unknown senders. Also, avoid sharing the code with anyone. This is for your account security. After you enter the correct code, your phone number will be verified and you should see a confirmation message in your profile section. If you still don't receive a code, make sure the number is correct, the country code matches your location, and that your carrier allows verification texts. Using a mobile number that can receive SMS is important. Some virtual numbers may not work reliably. That's it. Your phone number is now confirmed. This simple process strengthens your account security and makes future actions faster and safer. If you found this helpful, go ahead and complete any other pending items in your profile so your verification status is fully up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.